Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how luxury buffalo leather and premium buffalo tallow soap are made.
Each formulation is carefully balanced to achieve exceptional quality, durability, and consistency while maintaining strict production standards. Each batch is refined and tested for quality to ensure premium performance and craftsmanship. Every product is carefully inspected before leaving the facility, ensuring it meets our highest quality standards.
Check the manifest here. We need to expedite this one. Understood. We'll prioritize the leather shipment.
And that's how luxury buffalo leather and premium buffalo soap are produced, from carefully selected raw materials to beautifully crafted finished products. Thanks for joining us.